Here we've got iPhone 13, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on this device. So you've got two methods. The first one will show you IMEI number only. So at first you need to open your phone dialer, go to keypad then, and provide a secret code, which is *pound, 06 pound. And as you can see here, you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to your device. And then to open those numbers along with serial number, you need to reach settings, then find and pick about, general, at first, and then about. And here you've got serial number at the top of the list, and then a bit lower, you'll be able to find both IMEI numbers as well. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.